Hey guys! Welcome back to the channel. It's Delaney.
I'm Chip.
And today we're going to be doing our 2-in-1 switcheroo. So Chip is going to be taking on the ABH Subculture, and I'll be bringing back out, dusting the cobwebs off of the Jeffree Star.
I don't think it's had time to have cobwebs.
It has not had time to have cobwebs.
Not.
If anything, bitch needs some sleep because she's got bags under her eyes. Like, I have been using it.
Working.
But, I mean, a lot of it you can still see, like, the press. But yeah, we're gonna go ahead and jump into this and do our 2 looks, and then we're gonna do more looks. Because we do 4 looks in this whole video.
Alright, so I'm going in with my Sigma E40, applying the shade Rowdy on the outer corner for right now. Until
How long has it been since you used that palette? It's a dark brown, Chip!
That's so nice. I bought this like when it came out, so whenever that was, this is as long as I've had this palette.
When was the last time you used it though?
I used it when it came out. So I used it like literally when it came out and I bought it, and so it's been some years since I've touched it.
I'm using the Morphe M330 and I'm applying double scoop into the crease. This is very similar to the shade Edge. Honestly, I should use Edge on one side.
Okay, and then we're gonna go in with our Sephora Small Shadow. Gonna go in with Untamed.
This is a Morphe M170-2, and we just gonna make a little eye shape here.
We're going to go in with Electric.
And then we're both just working over Urban Decay Primer Potion, but now I'm going to have this nice concealer base. I'm just using my Morphe concealer in the shade 1.15 to just cut this out. I'm going to take the Morphe, this is the M250-0. I'm going to go back in with double scoop just a little bit and just darken up the little wave that I have going on in this outer corner here.
Okay, I'm going to go in with ColourPop Lana. I don't want to do a wing, I'm just going to do a line.
We're going to take the Morphe E18 and jump into Slice, and we're just going to apply her right in this inner corner here. And then we're going to take Hot Fudge, and we're just going to very lightly apply. Same brush.
Now, because this is a nice green look, I did want to dip into the Jeffree Star Supreme Frost in Candy Apple Drip. And I'm going to go in with my ABH A23 brush. Oh, I dipped in too much. That was false advertising on the brush. Oh, I thought I didn't pick up at all. And then I was wrong. Decisions have been made.
So I'm just leaving like the faintest line between Hot Fudge and double scoop. Chip, it's fine if you wear that much highlight.
No, I need to mute it down on this side.
Boo!
It is so much.
Okay, we're gonna be using the ColourPop Cream Gel Liner in UNTZ. This is like a neon-y orange, but it probably won't do a whole lot because it's not a very pigmented cream gel liner from them. Like, you could see it, but...
So, I've been dying to use this Stila glitter. So this is a shimmer and glow, but the shade is in Vivid Jade.
I'm gonna jump in with the PIERRE Volume Lash Mascara. For a lip, we're gonna be using the BELLEGANT Butterscotch Martini.
I'm gonna go with the Sephora Lip Balm in Macadamia. Done!
I like it. I wish you would have not muted down the highlight. I wanted you to
I wanted you
to just
do it. It was so much. It was just one cheek too. Like,
just gonna insert the Shia LaBeouf. Just do it!
Just do it! Don't let your dreams be dreams.
First I'm Shrek, now Shia LaBeouf.
You're only moving up at this point.
I know. Am I? I think Shrek is above Shia LaBeouf in my eyes.
Well, in height or like in height?
Height, everything. Shrek is better in every way.
I mean, you could be 7'1" Peppa Pig.
I do like your look though. That cut crease is killing it. And I like the shade, like, separation in between.
This is not the eye look that I had planned.
Really?
Yeah, I was just I wasn't gonna cut anything. I was just gonna blend everything out.
Right.
That was boring. We're gonna jump into some close-ups and then we'll be right back with look number 2. Okay, guys.
Yes.
Look number 2. I want you to use some of Destiny. You haven't even touched her.
We'll work on the top.
That's a cute
top
quad.
row.
That's a cute quad. I can believe in it.
Okay, so we'll go with the brush that came with the palette. I'm gonna go in with All Star with the blender side.
I'm gonna just jump right into my Sephora Pro 14. Jump into Orange Slice, sorry, not Orange Slice. Orange Crush. Like, I can't get it. I can't get it. Which is a shimmer matte. And as you saw in our first 2-1, Chip had some trouble, so we gonna...
Yes, I did.
I mean, like, I just expect more...
Exactly, that on the eye.
Oh, so it's gonna be there today when I put it on.
What'd you put as your base? Just the Urban Decay?
Just the Urban Decay.
That's what I had. I did not have that.
It looks more pigmented in person than it does on camera, but I jammed my brush in there, so yeah. I mean, you really definitely lose like the glitter.
Yeah, that does not transfer or stay. I think if you blend it out, it's
just
gone.
falls out.
Yeah.
It's pretty in the pan.
We're gonna go in with the flat side and go in with Destiny. Super pretty. I feel like Destiny would be a really good smoky look. On its own, add a black liner, you're good to go.
Gonna jump in a Purple Punch and we're gonna press her just as hard. And we're gonna dab her on the other outside part of the lid. Almost like in the center split, but more Orange Crush than Purple Punch. And then over on the top, you may have saw it on the right eye, I was just dragging what was left on my brush from the Purple Punch and just blending it a little bit in there since I didn't use a crease color, which is so unlike me.
Okay, so flat side again, going in with Adorn.
You can tell how buzzed I was last night writing this because I was just too tired.
Girl. Curse this.
It's just kind of
I'll
like...
figure it out later.
For the bottom lash line, we're going to be using... Where did that... This is the E18, and we're going to dip into Bubblegum, which is one of the dupe shades in both of the palettes.
So I'm going in with a pencil. This is a Maybelline pencil. It's a long-lasting gel pencil in the shade Soft Nude.
So we're going to be using a bright pink ColourPop cream gel liner. And this is in the shade Insomniac. I don't know how well it will transition because I have a lot of stuff in my eyeline right now.
Okay, I'm going back in with the fluffy brush, dipping into a mixture of Rowdy and All-Star. I kind of just want to darken that just a tad more.
Alright, Bella Pierre Volume Lash, as we have been using for all of the 2-in-1s. Alright, lip. So this is Baby Bat, and this is in Lawless. It's a really bright pink, so we just gonna keep going.
Oh my gosh, why don't I wear this? I haven't worn this, but I had it. This is called... You ready for it? Witching Hour.
Yes!
A matte lipstick from MAC. I bought this years ago, literally. Have not worn it. This was their Brook Candy collection. I don't even know if they still have this going. Yes! Oh, I love. That orange looks so much better on you. So much better.
Well, I packed the shit out. So there's lots of layers of foundation underneath my eyes right now.
Well, we hope you enjoyed our last look of today's video. So we have given you a total of 4 looks. So please check the first video, which we will link down below. And yeah, we really hope that you're enjoying these 2-in-1s. We love it.
Hit that subscribe button before you go. Follow us on our social media. It's all sugarandspice_makeup on Facebook, Instagram, and yeah. So see you guys on the next one. Bye!